Hello kids, today our topic is kitchen vocabulary. Dishwasher, dishwasher, dishwasher. It is used to clean dishwares. Grater, grater, grater. It is used to grate food into pieces. Kettle, kettle, kettle. It is used to make beverages. Toaster, toaster, toaster. It is used for toasting food. Rolling pin, rollingpin, rolling pin. It is used for roll out dough. Whisk, whisk. It is used to blend ingredients. Apron, apron. It is used to keep the clothes clean. Detergent, detergent. It is used for washing utensils. Teapot, teapot. It is used for serving tea. Strainer, strainer. It is used to separate liquid from solid. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.